Hello guys, and welcome to InMinutes. Today I'll be talking about matrix multiplication. So there's two types of multiplication for vectors that I'm going to talk about today. The first one is the scalar multiplication, and the second one is the dot product. So let's go on to the first one. The reason why it's called the scalar multiplication is because you have a scalar, in this case 2, or it can be any number. Okay, it can be 7 or 8, whatever, and you take that scalar and you multiply it by a vector. Okay, so what you have is that the scalar will be multiplying the individual numbers inside the matrix. So in this case, 2 times A, you get 2A. 2 times B, you get 2B. Okay, you can see where it's going, easy. So let's go on to the second one. Okay, this is the dot product. Let's say we have our favorite vector, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget dot, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say we have this vector and we want to multiply them together. So how are we going to do this? So how it's going to go is the first row on the left will be multiplied with the first column on your right. So 1 times 1 will give you 1. 2 times 3 will give you 6. So 1 plus 6. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the top right. 1 times 2 will give you 2. 2 times 4 will give you 8. Okay, and let's go to the bottom left. 3 times 1 will give you 3. 4 times 3 will give you 12. And let's go to the bottom right. 3 times 2 will give you 6. 4 times 4 will give you 16. And when you add that all up, what you'll have is 7, 10, 15, 22. Okay, now it will seem very confusing at first, especially if you're hearing it for the first time, but don't worry, I got an easy method for you to remember. So if you don't remember, what we talked about in our first ever video was to identify the rows and the columns. Okay, let's say we have a matrix. Okay, a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so we have something here, 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 here. So I want you guys to remember this. This on the top left is the first row, first column. So let's put 1, first row, first column. Okay, so if you go to the top right, it will be the first row, second column. So first row, second column. Okay, so bottom left, it'll be the second row, first column. Okay, second row, first column. And lastly, second row, second column. So this is the easy part. Okay, this is the easy part. This is how you remember how to use the dot product. Okay, let's say we take it back. Okay, let's do it all over again. Okay, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, we know that this is going to be a 2 times 2 matrix. So I want you to refer back to this. This is the easy way to remember. So when you want to find the number in the first row, first column, first row, first column, just remember the one on the left, look at the first row, and on the right, look at the first column. So that's what the number represents. First row, first column. So first row multiply by a first column. That's the easy way. 1 times 1, 1, plus 2 times 3, 6. So total 7. So let's move on to this one. Referring back to our diagram, it is first row, second column. So first row, second column. Get it? So 1 times 2, you get 2. 2 times 4, you get 8. So total 10. So referring back to the diagram again, second row, first column. So second row multiplied by the first column. So 3 times 1 will give you 3. 4 times 3 will give you 12. So that gives you a total of 15. Okay, so lastly, second row, second column. Second row multiplied by the second column. So 3 times 2 will give you 6. 4 times 4 will give you 16. 6 plus 16 is 22. So it's easy. That's the easy way. Okay, all the best. Good luck.